People can protect the work than their own life.
Father, mighty man of valor, we love you from the depth of our heart. Apostle Suleman, a gift sent by God. We say you're a man of great grace. Oh my Father, Lion of Africa, may you live forever. Black Elijah, you are. We celebrating the breath of God's heaven, celebrating the life of a legend. We celebrating a voice to the nation, generation. When he speaks, his prophetic confirmation. Privileged to follow you, a wonders with the numbers, a mighty man of prayer, solution to the world. You've been tried, you've been tested, you've been accused and abused. They send assassin to kill and stop your vision, but you are a man on mission, a prophet to the nation of blessing. Oh my Father, Lion of Africa, may you live forever. Black Elijah, you are. Omega say,
happy birthday, Daddy, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, Daddy, happy birthday.
SOP say,
happy birthday, Daddy, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, Daddy, happy birthday.
Triumph say,
happy birthday, Daddy, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, Daddy, happy birthday.
Our mother say,
happy birthday,
Reverend Dr. Lizzie Suleman. We join you to say happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday to our father, our life coach, our teacher, our mentor. On behalf of the SOP Liberia, on behalf of the greatest generation, I want to say happy birthday, Papa. We love you, we celebrate you, the long-lasting legacy. Thank you for imparting our lives, and thank you for imparting many people around the globe. We love you so much. Enjoy your day, my father. Mega, mega. Shafaya, ya, 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 ya.
Daddy, happy birthday.
We celebrate you. Happy birthday, Apostle Professor Johnson Suleman.